So my name is Wienke Giezeman. I'm a CEO and co-founder of the Things Industries. We have a company that's specialized in LoRaWAN products. We create software and we provide services in the field of LoRaWAN. So our main focus is LoRaWAN, and if you look around here, I think one thing you can really notice is that if you compare it to last year, that you don't have to explain anybody what LoRaWAN is. Everybody is working with it. I think amazing progress for a technology that's just around for 2 years, it's really gaining traction at the moment. LPWAN as a market is a very infant state. We're approaching a hype top. So what you will see is that people will engage with all kinds of proof of concepts at the moment, discovering the technology and also starting to learn that that the LPWA market is a market that's it's not a winner-takes-all market, but that some technologies fit some verticals. So, for instance, agriculture is perfect for LoRaWAN because you can get the infrastructure, build the infrastructure yourself on the farm, and in that way, I guarantee that there is a connectivity. That's one vertical. The other vertical is smart metering. I see a lot of smart metering applications here as well. That of course is a huge business case. And another vertical currently you see smart building. We're in the facility. LoRaWAN enables you to easily create sensor connectivity for your building, and it's something that you see upcoming as well. What you now see with technologies like LoRaWAN is very accessible to get started with. So actually doing a proof of concept with LoRaWAN can be done in-house with just a small investment, giving you an in-depth idea of the technology. And also that's the reason why we're holding the first global LoRaWAN developer conference in Amsterdam 1, 2, and 3 February, where our main promise is to all the visitors that you will become a LoRaWAN expert in 2 days. Because it's very accessible, you can build it yourself, you can do it yourself. You don't need a telco approval to get started with testing, and I think that's a huge boost to innovation in this kind of this segment. So just to give a few examples that we see on our network, is a smart mousetrap that tell when they have caught a mouse, saving usually on field force services. Another use case we now see is an energy management company called Victron just put a connectivity module for their power management platform online, connected to over LoRaWAN to our services. So you see everywhere where you want to provide some kind of small sensor connectivity, you see this application. Internet of Things is still a very complex field, and you can only deliver if you partner right? Like IoT is really about the ecosystem. Our organization, the Things Network, is now an organization with 25,000 LoRaWAN developers who are sharing all kinds of knowledge about how to build these use cases. And definitely at this stage it's mostly important because it's the most sensible way to do it. It's a growing market, there's room for everybody, and if we collaborate, we're only making the market bigger. So we position ourselves as in the middle where we are able to manage sensors and gateways of the LoRaWAN network and exposing that data end-to-end encrypted to all kinds of IoT platforms. On both sides of our network server, we're open to any gateway or sensor, and on the other side, we're open to any IoT platform, making it a very flexible and configurable solution. So I think our main contribution is that we're doing a lot of storytelling in the world of IoT, telling about end-to-end encryption, telling about how to create networks that are customer friendly, do not have hostile lock-ins, and using open standards. Because in the end that's always what wins. And we're hoping to create a healthy IoT ecosystem doing that.